75% of engine wear happens at the start of a journey and continues when a car accelerates, slows down, and idles in city driving. If you could see inside a running engine, you would be amazed at the risk of wear to critical components. Castrol MAGNATEC provides an advanced solution. It clings, locks, and protects to deliver 50% better engine wear protection. Castrol MAGNATEC protects vulnerable engine parts such as the valve train, timing chain, pistons, and bearings. It meets leading industry standards and matches the handbook specification of many cars, SUVs, pickups, and hybrids. That's why Castrol MAGNATEC is used by millions of mechanics around the world. Discover how Castrol MAGNATEC clings, locks, and protects to give you non-stop protection from every start.